Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a strategy to make 10x and multiplier of your investment. I'm not a financial advice. Make sure you take anything you want to this video as educational purpose, and I always talk on this channel on how to make money with cryptocurrency. And if this kind of video you are looking forward to watch, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. So this is how the strategy goes. You have to be here on Binance, and any coin Binance list on their launch pad or launch pool. You just have to buy this coin when Binance launch this token, not immediately, but when the price go down. This is how it works. This token was launched on Binance Launchpad, as you can see over here. So then this price keep going down. So once this price launch at 0.10 cents and it went to $5, people who buy this at launch will want to make profit on their investment. So people will, this token will have a lot of sell off over here. That's why you see the price, this indicator over here, SAR, is showing that this price is in downtrend. So right now I'll go to 1 hour chart, because this 4 hours is going to show a lot of candle and there's a lot of noise in this chart right now. But with this daily chart, you have less candle and you have the overview of this chart. So right now, as this indicator shows that this is in downtrend on this, around this $5 or worth of this coin per one of hook coin. And right now this showed the bottom of this price at $1.0789. So right now, is it possible for this token to go down further? It's possible, but these indicators have already predicted this in few days, 3 to 4 days, or 1 2 3 4, let's say like 20 days, because these are on daily charts. So each candle, one candle is for a day. So right now this indicator over here predict this price that is in downtrend. If this coin were on future, people will be selling this coin immediately and they will make a lot of profit with this sign over here. And once this indicator gives you buy option over here, then you can enter to buy this token right here. So remember, you want to buy, you are not using leverage. So if this token drop further, you know that you are not taking a lot of risk, you are not using a lot of money, you are not using a lot of leverage, so you're on safer side. So right here, and you're able to buy at this level via $1, and this went to around $4. Let's say you're unable to sell at the top. Sure, it's possible not to be able to sell at the top. Then you were able to sell at $3.30. That's 300% return on investment in few months. Let's take for instance, from this place to this $3 is around 30 days or 20 days. Then you make 300 return on investment. You invest $1,000, that's 3,000 return on investment. So that's a big EPL on return on investment. So right now, and this coin went down, and if you still believe that this coin can still go up, you can still use the same spot trading strategy, or you make additional research, maybe this coin can go up or not. At least you are able to make 3x return on investment. And let me show you another token right now. The same thing goes to this ID token. So this token also was launched on Binance Launchpad or Launch Pool, something like that. So and let me go to 4 hours trade, and this coin has been trading. If you see over here, it went for from 2 cents to $2.50, and this coin has been trading downtrend over here till this level, and you got this sign over here, this sign to buy at this level. And if you were able to buy at this price or at this price, and you hold on this for a few days, you're able to sell this at 2x on this price right here. That's 200%. And right here, let me show you this. You buy this from 44 cents, and you were able to sell at 84, stuff like that. So at least you make 100% return on investment with this kind of pattern of multiplying your investment. And right now this token has come down, and with this kind of pattern, once you make like 100x return on investment or 3x to 2x, you just have to sell, like, to get your capital back and take some profits. If you still believe that this coin can still go up, sure, you can hold on to some token you have left or you sell. So, and this is the coin I'm holding right now. This token also were listed on Binance right here. So this coin was a new coin on Binance right here, and I bought this around this place over here, 0775. And right now, if you remember what I told you, that you can't just believe you can make this profit in 2 days or 3 days. And right now, this went down, and right now the price is going up again. Remember, around 0.775, and it went down to 0.0700. If I have a lot more capital, I can still buy if I believe in this project and I'm investing money I'm able to willing to live in on this platform. If I'm not losing this trade, I just want to sell to get out of this trade to buy something else. So once you have not sell any token, you are not in loss, like you are not losing. Like technically, you may down on your trade, but once you have not sell, you have not like actually lose any money. And right here, the price is going up a little bit now. So this same strategy is going to play out with this. So hopefully I'm going to show you guys update on this trade, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to not miss any crypto related video and how to make money and some airdrops news and news about crypto. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. So that's how you can make money with this kind of strategy on Binance. When Binance launch any token on their launch pad,